Sitting in front of the march sits the King Frazier Student Center. It is named after the internationally recognized black civil rights leader Martin Luther King Jr. and Barnetta Frazier, who was a graduate of Savannah State College, who gave exemplary service for many years as the dietitian in the college dining hall. The first student center was built under James A. Colston administration. It once held a capacity of 200 people, a recreation room, a bookstore, and a confectionery. The cost for this construction project was $1,180,773. Today, the Student Center is an expansive, multi-purpose building that has many facilities that include student affairs, career services, resident life, student housing, and student activities. The facility also has the bookstore, the campus post office, a ballroom, the Norman Elmore Theater with a seating capacity of 320, and game room facilities.